This is a video for stringing a Mathews solo cam bow. Example, Drenalin. The string routes around, starts here at the post with the S on it, routes around the cable, around the cam, comes off the cam, goes up to the top, around the outside of the idler, back around the idler, comes down, goes through the roller guard on the side with the black roller, comes down to the cam. We'll flip the blow over so that you can see the other side of the cam. After coming out of the black roller, comes around the cam, over top of this post, right here, comes back around, and comes to this post here with the other S on it. The cable starts on the same side, runs off, just up under this lobe of the cam, back up to the top, through the silver side of the roller guard, up to and attaches to the axle. The yoke's attached to the axle. The longer yoke attaches to the left side, and the shorter yoke attaches to the right side. If by some chance when installing the string the yokes twist upon themselves, all you have to do is undo one side and flip it under and reattach it to the same point as before.